First, I just want to make you think a little bit about different higher exponents of I. One of the cool things about imaginary numbers is that you can always write every imaginary number either as a real number or as an imaginary number, but you really never need to write I to the third power or the fourth power, because what will happen, let's try I cubed, for example. This one will be I times I squared. Well, I squared is equal to -1. So this is just I times -1 or negative I. So I was able to transform my I cubed into negative I. Let's try it with I to the fourth. I to the fourth is I squared times I squared, which is -1 times -1, which equals 1. So I to the fourth equals 1. This is actually a good thing to sort of memorize. I is I squared is -1, I to the third is negative I to the fourth is 1. Now we can keep going. What do we do with this one? Well, we say I to the fifth is I to the first times I to the fourth. Well, we just realized that I to the fourth was 1, right? So even this I to the fifth, I don't need that fifth exponent. I can just write I. I to the fifth is the same as I. Now this might seem kind of weird for you, but if you thought about it, it happens in other situations too. Like 1 to the fifth, we're not upset that 1 to the fifth equals 1, right? And I is sort of like a 1. It just happens to be the square root of -1. A little different, but it has kind of some similar properties. So we could just keep going from there. The important thing to do is to try to think about the I to the fourth thing, that equals 1.